season, I have a reason. Ladies and gentlemen, I do hereby observe all protocol. Standing before you is a Form 4 student who responds to the name Madeline, who would like to present her speech entitled, My Reason This Season. My reason for you this season is to tell you how failure is a pain-filled treason. Let me break this down to your meager understanding. Stupidity is a prison, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, let us be comrades. Let us emancipate ourselves from lack of knowledge. They say they are the avenues of gaining knowledge, so education is nothing, but you're in for a rude awakening. Wake up and smell the coffee, the energizing need to be better. You ever wonder why Strive was named Strive Masiwa? Because he strived to leave poverty. Newsflash, he did. You are not a Strive Masiwa, neither am I. But this season, let me give you a reason to leave something behind. This season, leave your personal prison. This season, be a better you. This season, do not imprison yourself in punctured, fluctuated minds. I thank you.